Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. We will need a screwdriver and the new motherboard. First, we center the print head and turn off the printer. We remove the screws to open the cover. We take a photo to remember how the connections are arranged. We disconnect all the cables. We remove the screws holding the motherboard in place. Next, we place the backplate with the new board and fit them together. Now we position it in the printer and screw it in place. Using the photo we took earlier, we reconnect all the cables. Once finished, we close the cover and screw it back in. Finally, we turn on the printer.